Job Trend View in SQL Enterprise Manager allows you to graphically trend your most important information in your environment so that you can easily detect potential problems. To access the Job Trends view, go to Jobs, and then on the Jobs view, you'll want to click on the drop-down menu and select the Job Trends option. From here, you can select different job types to trend or to add to the chart. The different job trends available are top failure, most frequent, longest running, and highest percentage duration increase. The chart can be changed in terms of duration by showing a day's worth of information, a week, a month, or a year. If you're trying to drill down to a specific instance or a specific job or a specific category, we do have different options for those as well. As an example, let me go ahead and focus on a specific job and view the trend of that specific job. And again, I can select by most frequent, longest running, and the job chart will update accordingly. If you're not interested in viewing trends, you can click on the Hide Trends line, which will remove that particular line from the chart. Thank you for watching this video regarding job trends. If you're interested in SQL Enterprise Job Manager, please download a trial from our website at www.idera.com. Thank you again.